Hello, my name is Raihan Wijayo.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rafli.
Hey, how are you last vacation?
It was great. I went to Yogyakarta with my family. What about you?
Stayed in Bogor, but I am planning another trip. How about visiting Jakarta together next time?
That sounds good. Maybe we should go there but trying to save the money.
Yes, I agree. Let's book the ticket early and to increases.
Good idea. What don't we visit Malioboro night?
Sure, don't forget to try local food like Gudeg.
Of course. I suggesting renting a motor collecting explore the city easily.
That's smart. We need to prepare budget to manage your expense.
Australia. Let's make a plan. It was the best place to visit.
And thank you.
Bye.